Hey guys, this is a 3-month update from my last update on this Begonia Cachuma. I had kept it indoors because it was so hot over the summer and then kept it through the winter and it just started looking like death. So I moved it back outside early this spring. I repotted it, I gave it fertilizer, I added more organic soil to the mix so it would stay moist longer, and it really did the trick. It kept popping out new little leaves. Eventually, the old big leaf fell off, but um, I'm really excited with the progress on this. This is from today, and it looks almost like it did when I first got it. It's got tons of new leaves coming in. And what my concern was, we had that rhizome, and I didn't think new leaves were going to grow back along the rhizome, but they did. I thought I was just gonna have to like chop it and wait for like the newest point on the rhizome to put out new growth, but no, it's pushing out stems and beautiful leaves all along it, and that's what I was hoping would happen. So, yay!